is only entitled to act for 2 years before a new decision is taken, which is why I would employ you to back this motion for an urgent procedure.
Dziękuję panu za wypowiedź.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we've heard from one MEP speaking in favour and another speaking against this motion. I'm afraid we have no more than 3 minutes speaking time, so now I'm going to put this request for an urgent procedure to the vote. No one has requested a roll call vote, so it will be an ordinary vote. Who's in favour? In favour. Thank you. Who is against? Please show. Thank you. Abstentions? Thank you. Now, the urgent procedure has been accepted. I would like to remind you that the vote will take place on Thursday, and on the basis of the proposal submitted, the deadline for amendments is Wednesday, so please respect the deadline for amendments. The debate will take place this evening. So let me remind you once again, the debate will take place this evening and the deadline for amendments is Wednesday, 10 a.m. According to the agenda, the next item is a Council and Commission statements on climate change in developing countries in the framework of the UN Conference on Climate Change in Copenhagen. I would like to ask the Environment Minister that represents the Swedish government and the Swedish presidency of the Council to take the floor. Minister Andreas Carlgren is here. Good morning, sir.
Witamy serdecznie, prosimy.
Welcome, Minister. You have the floor, Minister, and we also have Commissioner de Gucht here. Welcome, Commissioner, but first I would like to give the floor to the Council representative. You have the floor, Minister.
Mr. Minister, you can take the floor. Just straight away.
And it's yes. Herr talman.
President, honourable members, we are at a decisive point in time.